What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we need to do today on the truck is go clean the frame, go pressure wash the frame at a pressure washer. I'm not going to do it here just because last time I pressure washed anything here, the slab was disgusting forever. So we're going to go do that, get it cleaned up, and then I want to coat the front of the frame. We've already done the rear of the frame. I want to do the front of the frame now. That's one thing I wanted to do when we were lifting the truck, but I was in such a hurry to get the lift done before we left for Cancun that I kind of just rushed it and didn't do that. So that's what we're gonna start off with today. We did drive the Black Evo today, which we never drive anymore. So that was fun, and the car does need a little bit of work. Some other stuff happened to that car as well when I was gone in Cancun. So I wanna get that thing fixed up and back 100% back on the road. So we got our degreaser out here. This is the typical super clean degreaser, and I'm gonna just hose this frame down, let it soak in for a while, and grab the pressure washer in this here car wash and get this thing cleaned up. We got the frame all cleaned up. We're gonna have to let this truck sit outside in the sun for a little bit and dry before we can coat it. That is how she looks now. Clean but crusty. All right, boys, so as Bobby and I were in Cancun and Jared took out the cars, he kind of messed up the beautiful Evo 8 a little bit.
I don't want to talk about all the other stuff I messed up. No one knows about this. Yeah, so I took it out for a photo shoot, similar to the, it's like the same story. And on the way home that night, some guy lost a bunch of stuff out of the back of his truck, and I just didn't have time to swerve around it. So it smacked the front end, busted up the lip, came up and scratched up the hood, and I think there might be some other stuff underneath it. So I guess we'll figure that out soon.
Holy shit. Wow. We do have some sort of little tiny oil leak right here. I can't tell. It almost looks like the AC compressor is leaking oil, which is very odd. I've never seen that really. But other than that, this thing's clean. Wow.
Wow, look at that lip.
Right. I don't really see anything crazy going on. There's that little bit of stuff on the AC compressor, but other than that, we got a bad CV axle boot. So we're gonna fix that real quick. I did order up a new lip. That one's destroyed. Other than that, this car doesn't really need much. Where's my list? Squeaky brakes. Let's just tackle that CV axle right now, and then from there we're gonna do a boost leak test, see what else is going on. How many minutes do you think it takes me to do a CV axle? 15. Should we time it? All right, we're doing a little test. We're gonna see how long it takes me to do a CV axle. Just for fun, I'm gonna haul Dick. I'm saying it takes me 5 minutes. Jared originally guessed 15. He can't change his guess now.
All right, ready, set, go.
What was it?
What do you think it was?
I think it was 3 minutes and 48 seconds.
1 minute, 56 seconds.
Serious?
Yeah.
What?
Look.
How's hauling Dick?
You're going fast, bro.
Damn, I'm gonna try to do it in a minute next time.
That's pretty good. That is so gross.
So what we need to do is we're gonna cut both of these clamps off, inner and outer clamp. So we're gonna pry it up a little bit. Ow. There's no grease left. Sickening. After you get this little outer hub thing off, there is a circlip right here. So we're gonna pop that clip off. for sale, $5. I did pick up a boot from Napa. I will link this down below if you guys want to pick one up for your own inner CV axle on your 8 or 9. Probably fits a lot of other stuff too.
How much was this?
It's like $30.
Oh hell yeah, ain't bad.
All right, boys, we got the new CV axle, or the replaced the boot CV axle back on the car. All good to go there. We still do need to clean up all the grease. We're done with the CV stuff. We're gonna do a boost leak test real quick. Car's running like super lean. Some sort of leak somewhere. Yeah, pull the bumper off. Lower intercooler pipe is leaking. Yep, we got a hole in it. We're gonna go do the official test. See if she's a ripper still.
You're not selling that car. I'm not selling it.
Too sick?
Honey.
What?
That's the coolest car you own.
Look at the FRS! We're all finished up with the black Evo for the day. She's definitely a ripper. So freaking fun to drive this car. All right, guys, it's time to move on to coating the frame on the truck. It's all dry now. This is how it looks right now. All disgusting, clean but rusty, especially up under here. I don't know how this truck is so rusty for only being in 2015. I really should have done this when we had the entire truck apart for the lift, but that wasn't really an option at the time. So let's get as much as we can done and see how it looks. If we have to pull off like CV axles or control arms or anything, not a big deal. This here is the product we're using. This is the same stuff we used on the back of the frame when we had the bed off. Works really well. Place I got it from said you don't need to do any crazy like prep work. Pretty much degrease it, pressure wash it like we just did, and we should be good to go. Just finished up getting this frame all coated. So here is how it looks in the wheel wells. And then if you go underneath where it was super bad, this is the finished product. All right, guys, we got a last minute photo shoot. We got to go shoot some Boston stuff. What up, boo?
What up?
So this here is the photo shoot spot tonight. This is actually where the car caught on fire, was somewhere right in this area. The Jared taking bangers over here. This is one of the products dropping November 15th. We're gonna have a few different windbreakers and sweaters and a ton of other stuff at the same time as well. did decide to do a 15-minute early access with this drop. We've only done this one other time in the past, and I figured I'd give you guys the chance to get early access again on this drop. So if you guys want the early access code, all you have to do is go on the Vossen site right now. It'll come to this page here. You can either click this button up top that says 15-minute early access, and that'll bring you to a page where you enter in your email there, or you can enter in your email address right here, hit submit, and that will get you on the list to get the early access code. Basically how it works is on the drop day, which is November 15th, you will get an email. We'll make it so you can get on the site. So you're gonna just go to this, enter using password right here, and this will all be in the email, but I figure I'll show you guys right now. Enter using password, enter in the password that is in the email, which will be 15 minutes early before anyone else can get on there. I don't know if you guys know what phase 1 is, but it's very similar to 75 hard, but it's 75 hard plus a cold shower and a few other little things. Bobby is definitely afraid of cold showers, and she just started it. 5 minutes cold shower, all the way cold. Did you start your cold shower yet?
Not yet.
When are you gonna?
Here in a minute.
Are you kind of scared too?
I'm so freaking scared. I was kind of wondering if you could, turn on the fireplace. This is not fun.
Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Is it all the way cold?
Yeah.
Come on, get in that thing. Get your face in it.
I don't think my face is in
You have to get your face in it a little bit. Breathe, baby, breathe.
I am. Oh my god, this is not okay. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. My finger is cramping.
14 seconds.
Oh my god.
You done?
Oh my god.
I think that's a good ending of today's video. Hope you boys enjoyed. This drop comes November 15th. Be ready, be square, be there. The biggest drop we've ever done. It's freaking massive. I think the products we're putting out this time around, you guys are really, really gonna like. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.